So I kind of kicked my lawnmower back so it's tilted up. All right, so it looks kind of funny, but it's like this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and change the spark plug. First, you pull this cover, pull that off. Okay, real simple. Mine happens to be, I'm using a 22. A ratchet, put it on here. You'll get in there, turn it counterclockwise, and then you'll break it loose. And you could take the socket off the wrench, turn it counterclockwise till it comes out. I mean, there's a spark plug, okay? So what you do, you take it to the store. This is a NGKR. We're gonna take that to the store and find the one we need. Okay. Honda NGK. That's it. So here is that spark plug. It's already pre-gapped, so you don't really have to mess with the gap, okay? If you want to check it, you can get a little gapping tool. It's looks like a little coin. You slide it in there, and we're gonna trust the manufacturer on this one. So we'll start by seating it in there by hand. Okay, and we got it in there. We'll go ahead and put our socket back on. And we're gonna tighten it. And you wanna tighten it until you feel the seating washer begin to seat. You'll feel it kind of tighten up. That's about it. There we go. Then you go ahead and reconnect. Okay, make sure that's on there nice and good. And you should be good to go. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.